just thought I'd share this absolutely stunning North Wales scenery and coastline in the background there. And while the sun's out, I thought I'd take advantage of being able to pick outdoors. And we've got this Zoo MK5 5-pin rim cylinder here. And it's slightly different from normal because our Euro cylinders we always pick from the other way around, shall we say. And now I've had to turn this one round and I'm picking upwards as opposed to downwards. But as you can see, the Zoo MK5 cylinder doesn't really offer a huge amount of resistance. So I'm going to take this apart and show you what's inside.